In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a name field to a Google form. Whether you're organizing an event, collecting feedback, or creating a survey, getting your respondents' names is often a crucial first step. Let's dive into how you can do this smoothly and effectively, ensuring your form is set up for success. First things first, you'll need to access Google Forms. Navigate to the Google Forms website by entering docs.google.com/forms in your browser's address bar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll then need to enter your email address, hit Next, followed by typing in your password, and finally, clicking on Sign In once more to access your Forms dashboard. Once you're signed in and on the Google Forms homepage, it's time to select the form you wish to edit. If you're starting from scratch, you can simply create a new form by clicking on the blank form option. However, if you're modifying an existing form, navigate through your list of forms or use the search bar at the top to find the specific form you're looking for. Now that you've opened your form, let's add a title to it. At the top of the form, you'll see a placeholder or the current title if one has already been set. Click on this area to edit it. Here you can give your form a descriptive name and, if necessary, a subtitle. This step helps provide clear context to your respondents about the purpose of the form. Next, we'll move on to adding the name field, which is essentially a question in Google Forms. Scroll down to the first question area or wherever you deem appropriate to collect the respondent's name. Click on the Add Question button if you're adding a new question, or simply click on any existing question to edit it. You'll need to type in your question, such as "What is your name?" or "Please enter your name." Under the question, make sure to select the appropriate answer type. For collecting names, the short answer option is ideal as it allows respondents to input a brief response. Ensure this field is set to required by toggling the switch at the bottom right of the question block. This step is crucial as it guarantees that respondents won't skip this essential bit of information. And there you have it. You've successfully added a field to collect names on your Google form. Before sending out your form, it's a good idea to preview it. Click on the eye icon at the top of the page to see how your form appears from a respondent's perspective. This helps you catch any typos or errors and ensures the form functions as intended. Creating a Google form that collects names is straightforward once you know the steps. Not only does it provide you with valuable information about your respondents, but it also personalizes the experience for them. Remember, the clarity of your questions and the overall form design can significantly impact the quality and reliability of the data you collect. So take your time to review and refine your form before sharing it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has equipped you with all the knowledge you need to add a name field to your Google Forms effectively.